Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this specific Belle outfit on Dress to Impress. Really love this outfit a lot when she wears it in the movie. So let's get started with the video. Don't mind the back. We don't focus on that because when I do like these low ponytails, it has to happen like this. I'm just going to remove everything except for the one that I did use accessory adjustments on, just because I want to save time. So for the hair, I used this hair. Sorry, let me just, okay. I used this hair first. This one, I just only bangs. And then I used this. I didn't do any accessory adjustment to it. I also just colored it using this color. For this hair here, I also colored it here. For the adjustments, Y 0.47, Z at 0.67, and scaled it to 0.21. Then for the bow, I use this color here. Actually, I use this in like a lighter color, maybe this color. For the adjustments, position it at Y 0.13, and that's it. I didn't really do anything else to that. For the skirt, we're going to use the witch side. You can also use the skirt in the cultural area. So color it this color and in white. And then we're going to select this one in just a skirt only in a white color. Maybe you can color the second one blue, I guess. And you can either choose the long one or the short one. I think I did like the short one and colored it both white. It's up to you really how you want to color that. And then I'm also going to use these shoes. I really hope Dress to Impress will come out with a flat shoe soon, but for the top, I just use this dress in type 2 in this color. And then I also used this too, just to cover everything up. And then for the shirt, I use like a code item, which is this one in white and in smooth. And then this is optional. If you have VIP, you can use this. But if you don't have VIP, I'm just going to put it on the hands area. I'm just going to color it brown, and then I'm just going to color it red. Like a darker color maybe here for the roses, and some more red and some more green. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.